everyone, in this video we'll be seeing about prerequisites. So let's get started. Class. It is defined as a blueprint that describes how a section of code behaves. So let us take an example and consider a car. A car has different parts such as a steering wheel, a tire, or the fuel that it uses to run. These parts are attributes of the class named car. Next, object. These are instances of a class. A class can have multiple objects. So for the class car, there can be multiple objects, and one such object of the class may represent a red colored car and may depend on petrol or diesel for running, and these are the objects of the class. Next, methods. Methods are functions containing instructions for executing certain actions. There can be multiple methods within a class. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. In the upcoming video, we'll be learning how to draft our first Java program. So thank you all for watching.